In this lesson, we're going to learn to count equal groups. Let's look at our essential question. How can you use equal groups to find how many in all? Now, do you know what an equal group is? Equal groups have the same number of objects in each group. Now let's take a look at this question. Tim likes to play with marbles. He makes 8 equal groups with 2 marbles in each group. How many marbles does Tim have in all? Now the question we're trying to answer is how many marbles Tim has in all. We know that he has 8 equal groups, and there are 2 marbles in each group. Now we can use counters to model the equal groups. Now since we don't actually have counters that we can touch, we can draw the counters and draw the pictures. So let's look at step 1. It says draw 2 counters in each group. Remember how Tim had 8 equal groups? Well, we have the numbers 1 through 8 written here to represent each group. And we can draw the 2 marbles or the 2 counters in each group. So group 1 is done for us. Group 2 is started for us. And then let's continue with group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6, group 7, and group 8. So now we have a picture to represent our problem. We can use this picture to help us solve the problem. Step 2 says skip count to find how many marbles Tim has in all. So we can skip count by going 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And we can see that here when we go 2, and 2 more is 4, and 2 more is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. There are 8 groups with 2 marbles in each group. So we can see that Tim has 16 marbles in all. All right, let's take a look at another one. Erin has a collection of toy cats. She puts the cats in 6 equal groups. There are 3 cats in each group. How many cats does Erin have in all? So we want to count how many cats she has all together. We know that she has 6 equal groups with 3 in each group. Now, in the last example, we looked at how we can draw a picture to show this. In this example, I'm going to show you how you can use a number line to skip count equal groups. Now, how many cats are in each group? You're right, there are 3 in each group. And how many equal groups of cats are there? Absolutely, there are 6. So we're going to begin at 0, and we're going to draw jumps on the number line to skip count by 3s. So from 0 to 3 is 3 cats. Then we go to 6. Then we would go 1, 2, 3 to 9. Then 1, 2, 3 more to 12. Then 1, 2, 3 more to 15. Then 1, 2, 3 more to 18 until we've jumped 6 times. Now let's count how many jumps we've made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 groups of 3 shown on the number line. You can see that this represents one group of 3, 1, 2, 3, and another group of 3, 1, 2, 3, until we have 6 groups of 3. So we made 6 jumps. So we can see that Erin has 18 toy cats in all. And why did we jump by 3s on the number line? That's a good question. Well, it must be because there are 3 cats in each group. Now it's your turn to try some of these.